Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you want to change your location on your Android phone without the need of jailbreaking or rooting your devices? And the best part about this is you do not need a PC or even a laptop to do so. Basically, you can do everything in your phone itself and change your location whenever and however you like it. Sounds intriguing? Well, let me show you how I'm supposed to do that with the help of this software right here. So this is the MocPOGO. Alright, it's available for both Android and iOS as well, and they do have the software version for Windows and Mac OS if you prefer to use your PC or laptop. But today we'll be demonstrating on my Android phone itself, which is pretty much the same, or it goes for other OSs as well. Alright, but this is a really awesome tool whenever I want to change location. Alright, to protect my privacy, because sometimes, you know, on my Snapchat or Instagram, I want people to know where I am. Alright, or even, you know, sometimes when I play like some geolocation based games, like you have to be physically at a spot, you know, to do some things. Alright, and most of the time, you know, it's either very far away in another city, or I'm just not available at that moment. So which is where this location changer come in handy, because you know I can be anywhere at any point of time while being where I am, alright, without me to be physically there, which is really cool. Alright, and the best part is I don't have to jailbreak or even root my phone to do this. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the software, the app itself, and what are the features it has, followed by a few demonstration of different modes that it can do, alright, while changing your location in real time. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you the app itself. Okay, well, so you guys can see this is the app itself, and you guys can see, alright, this is where I am right now. This is my current location. I can zoom up, alright, and I can be anywhere I want. You guys can see, alright, this is the map of Singapore. Alright, I can not only limited to like Singapore, but I also can be, you know, teleport to anywhere I want. So you guys can see I can choose any country I want to be in, alright, and I can be at there. So let me just zoom up way more. Alright, for example, I want to be in Vietnam. Alright, I can go to click on Vietnam, and you guys can see, alright, the distance away, the coordinate itself. I can have teleport, I can 2-point or multi-point, which I'm going to talk about it later on one by one. But let's just go ahead and show you what teleport means. Basically, I can just teleport to the location. You can say teleportation success. So how do I prove that? Well, let me just go ahead and show you, alright, with using Google Maps itself. So let me just go to my Google Maps itself. Alright, you guys can see, let me zoom out on my Google Maps itself. Alright, oh, okay, it's been resetted because I zoom out. Alright, so let me just teleport back to Vietnam again. Alright, so you guys can see this is my current location I am at right now. Alright, so let me just zoom all the way out on MocPOGO. Alright, let me just select somewhere in Vietnam, maybe at this location, click on teleport. Alright, and you guys can see teleport success. And if I zoom out on Google Maps itself, you guys can see, alright, I am in Vietnam right now, in Ho Chi Minh City, which is really awesome. Alright, so right now I can, alright, I think my device is overheating, but okay, let me just put it to dark theme, it's fine. Alright, but you guys can see right now, alright, I am in Ho Chi Minh City, so you can just teleport anywhere you want in the world itself. Alright, and you guys can see I have been teleported itself, which is really cool. So I can basically teleport to anywhere I want, alright, which is super awesome. Alright, and it also works in other apps as well. So right now my location has been modified. So if I go back to like probably like some social media apps like Snapchat itself, alright, let me just reset my location again. Alright, you guys can see my Snapchat is updated, and now I am in where am I? Thailand. Alright, you guys can see. So you guys can see on Snapchat, I am somewhere in Vietnam. You guys can see, alright, I'm not in Singapore. You guys can see. Alright, now as you guys can see on Snapchat itself, yeah, oh no, sorry, I'm in Thailand. Look at that. Alright, so yeah, you guys can see it's really cool. So on social media apps, you also update as well, which is super awesome. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the 2-point mode itself. Alright, so let's see let me show you how does the 2-point mode actually works. Alright, so let me zoom out a bit. Alright, maybe let's choose a location over here. As you guys can see, now I can just select 2-point. Alright, and you guys can see it generated an actual route for me from where I am all the way to the end point. So it's an actual route. Alright, it's not just cutting through the buildings, all this and that, which makes it more realistic, which is super cool. Alright, and I can select my speed over here. Alright, just click on start. Alright, and you guys can see it is moving, alright, on the MocPOGO app itself. And where I'm going to go back to my Google Home app, you guys can see, right, on the Google Maps itself, it is also moving on the map itself, which is really, really cool. So it is showing that, you know, I'm actually moving. So you can use this for, like, you know, various games, all this and that. You guys can do that as well. Or you guys can have variable speed as well. So basically the speed will go fast and slow to make it even more realistic. All right, so you guys have variable speed. You guys can see the speed is going up and down, which is super cool. So this is what the 2-point mode does. Whenever I want to stop it, I can just either press pause, I can continue again, or I can just click on quick. All right, and it will just quit, and I'll stop at where the current location is, which is super easy and super easy to use. All right, and then let me just go ahead and show you what the multi-point mode is. So if you were to select this and click on multi-point, all right, it will come up with the very first point itself. You guys can see, all right, I can add multiple points while tapping on the screen itself. So you guys can see and add like so many points I want it to be. So you can have multiple destinations and you guys can visit them, all right, or teleport to them one by one. All right, you guys can see I select the speed itself and you just click on start. All right, you guys can see, all right, you will move my very first point all the way to the very first point, and from the first point you'll go to the second one, and after that you'll go to the third one, fourth one, and end off at the fifth point. You guys can see the fifth point is the end itself. But the difference about this is, all right, it doesn't have an actual route itself, so it just dash through, like go straight through, all right, everything. So if you want a more realistic one, you have to use a 2-point one. But if you have like multiple points and you don't care about, you know, having an actual route, then you can use the multi-spot mode, which is really, really easy to use. Whenever I'm done, just click on quick and you'll just stop at the current location itself. And as you can see on the bottom right, there is this joystick one. All right, joystick mode is pretty much self-explanatory. All right, you guys can see, all right, I can just move the joystick around. You guys can see the middle, I'm moving the joystick around. Or I can set the speed to like driving as well, and I can control the joystick. I can, you know, can move this joystick, you know, bigger or smaller. I can move it. I can place this joystick anywhere I want. All right, you guys can see I can move in any direction I want. I have full control of where I want to go, how I want to go, which is really, really cool. So I can, like, you know, move around freely, all right, in my own control itself, which is super, super cool. And once I'm done, I just click on pause. All right, I just click on exit, and I will exit the joystick mode itself. All right, so as I said, for example, like, you know, you cannot find where the location or where you want to place or where you want to teleport to. All right, well, you can always use the search function as well. All right, you guys can also search by postal code if you want to. All right, you guys can see also give you all the data by postal code itself. You guys can search by, like, you know, areas as well. You guys can see, you guys can search by areas, all right, which is really awesome. All right, so you guys can, you know, or you guys can search by coordinates if you know where is it. So the search function has been really, really useful. So for example, if I put like certain, like a location, if I know, all right, let's put like a Changi airport. I can just teleport there and bam, all right, this is the location I want to be in, which is super easy, super cool to use. It works for all kinds of social media apps as well because your location is spoofed on your device. But what if you're worried about, you know, now my location is spoofed, so if I want to use my GPS as per normal for like normal navigation, all this and that, I don't need to be spoofed anymore. Well, you don't have to worry about that. All right, all I can do right now, I can either just close the app itself, look at this, or I just need to close the app itself. All right, I just need to make sure that it has been closed from my drawer itself and just wait for a while. Just give it a few seconds for it to refresh. All right, let me just and bam, I am back to my current location, which is my home itself, which is really cool. So you guys can see my GPS is back to normal. I can use it for normal navigation, all this and that without any issue once you close the app. So this is how easy and how straightforward, all right, to spoof your location on your Android phone without the need of like a PC, external device, or even spoof, like even jailbreaking your device, which is really, really awesome. As you guys see, my device is not jailbroken at all, and it works really, really well, and spoofing your location is as easy as ABC. So after you have seen that and you guys want to go ahead and spoof your location on your Android phone, alright, you guys can go and check out the first link in the video description down below and go ahead and get this, alright, MocPOGO for yourself. Or you guys can search MocPOGO on the Google Play Store itself, go ahead and download it. Alright, you guys can start spoofing your location right away. It is that easy, it is that straightforward, and you don't have to be really tech savvy to do so. Alright, you guys can see, alright, all different kind of modes. They have a lot of features and it's safe and reliable to use. It doesn't break your phone or break your GPS, as you guys can see. Alright, I'm demoing on my own phone, and once I you know, turn off, you know, the MocPOGO, I just cancel it off or remove it. After that, you know, my GPS has been back to normal, which is really, really cool. I just need to close the application and my GPS will work and function as per normal, which is really easy, really reliable and super useful. So once again, you have to check out this MocPOGO, alright, location changer. You guys can check out the first link in the description down below and go ahead and download this app for yourself right now. So that's all for you guys. If you find this video really interesting and did help you out, do comment down below and as well as give you a thumbs up. Alright, so that's all for you guys, and this is 𝐻force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.